Welcome to the DJI Matrice 400 tutorial video. This video will introduce how to use M400 for the first time. Open the aircraft carrying case. Remove the aircraft protective foam. Remove the rear guard of propellers. Mount the dongle. Install the third gimbal connector. The 12 screw holes can be used to attach custom payloads. Insert the landing gear into the aircraft's base mounting port, making sure the marks on the landing gear match those on the aircraft connector. Slide the latch into place and turn it clockwise until it locks into place. Remove the aircraft from the carrying case. Remove the front guard of propellers and the radar guard. Unfold the aircraft arms and rotate them into the slots. Slide each latch into place, then turn it clockwise until it locks into place. Make sure all the aircraft arms are securely mounted. Unfold the propellers. Mount the gimbal payloads. Align the white dot on the gimbal payload with the red dot on the port. Rotate the gimbal camera quick release port counterclockwise until locked. Remove the battery from the carrying case. Lift the battery handle, align the battery with the connector, and insert it. Then lay the handle flat to ensure the battery is properly installed. The remote controller is in hibernation mode upon delivery. Before use, connect the remote controller and the battery station using the dual USB-C cable to wake up the remote controller through charging. Install the sub-2G SDR module. Using the included screwdriver to tighten the screws. Mount the dongle. Unfold the antennas of the remote controller and the sub-2G SDR module. Press the power button, then press and hold it for 3 seconds to power on the remote controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the remote controller activation. Open DJI Pilot 2. An activation page will automatically pop up in the app. Read the terms of use, authorize the device information, select the usage scenario, confirm the account information, and tap Activate. Open DJI Pilot 2 and tap Enter Camera View. Complete the pre-flight check as prompted on the app. You can view the current flight distance, altitude, speed, and other parameters in the camera view. When Vision Assist is enabled, the aircraft will automatically switch to the vision sensor image in its current flight direction, helping you be aware of the flying environment in the direction. Tap the Photo Video Mode button to switch between photo and video recording modes. Tap the Playback button to view and download photos or videos. Use the left and right dials on the remote controller to adjust the gimbal's tilt and pan angles. Press the L1 or L2 button to quickly switch between the thermal, zoom, and wide-angle cameras. Press the R1 or R2 button to perform zoom operations on the zoom camera. Double-tap the target point to quickly focus the gimbal payload on it. Tap the laser rangefinder icon to enable the laser measurement feature. Align the crosshair with the measured target. RNG refers to the linear distance between the target and the aircraft. ASL refers to the altitude of the target above sea level. In thermal mode, tap any point on the camera view to measure its temperature using the spot temperature measurement function. Use the area temperature measurement function to select and freely drag your area of interest. The highest and lowest temperatures within the area will be displayed. In addition, you can set the temperature alert function as needed. Tap the palette and isotherm icon, and the color palette and temperature display range can be adjusted as needed. DJI Matrice 400 features an integrated RTK design. You can enter precise positioning setting to enable RTK positioning. The RTK service type can be set as DRTK base station, network RTK, and custom network RTK. Go to the image transmission settings page, select multi-frequency. Choose the corresponding 1.4 MHz band for sub-2G. Please make sure you have read and understood the usage instructions for the sub-2G band before confirming to enable the sub-2G working frequency. M400 supports battery hot swapping, allowing battery replacement without powering off the aircraft, thus improving operation efficiency. Unlock the battery handle, remove the battery, and replace it with another battery. If the battery level LED lights up, it indicates the battery is mounted correctly. Press the power button once, then press again and hold for 3 seconds to power off the aircraft. Lift the battery handle upwards to remove the aircraft battery. Press and hold the gimbal camera unlock button. Rotate the quick release port to the unlock position. Remove the gimbal payload and place it in the carrying case. Place Zenmuse S1 or Zenmuse V1 in compartment 1, and Zenmuse L2, Zenmuse P1, or Zenmuse H30 series in compartment 2. Rotate the aircraft arm latch counterclockwise to unlock, and take the latch out from the bottom of the port. Fold the front and rear aircraft arms into place. Install the radar guard, the front and the rear propeller guards. Place the aircraft upside down into the carrying case. Ensure all parts are inside the compartment. Rotate the landing gear latch counterclockwise to unlock. Then remove the landing gear and place it into the carrying case. Fold the remote controller antennas. Press the power button once, then press and hold it for 3 seconds to power off the remote controller. Place the remote controller into the carrying case. Attach the aircraft protective foam. Close and secure the carrying case latch. Thank you for watching.